You won't believe this amazing electrician tools that a beast. Meet the crimping tool set pressed pliers electrician tools electrical. Terminals clamp electronics pressing connector hand jaws 48BS to 549. Get 84% off right now with starting prices only 3.44 US. The crimping tool set with pressed pliers, specifically the 48BS 2549 model, stands out as a comprehensive solution for electricians and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision and efficiency in their work. This review explores the features that make this crimping tool set an invaluable addition. This set caters to a wide range of applications, from wiring installations to electronic repairs, making it an ideal choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. The ability to work with various electrical terminals adds a layer of adaptability to the tool, ensuring it can handle different tasks. The pressed pliers included in the set offer a high level of precision. In crimping, the design of the pliers ensures a firm and uniform crimp, preventing under-crimping or over-crimping that could compromise the integrity of the connection. This precision is crucial for achieving reliable and durable electrical terminations, whether you're working on automotive wiring, home electrical projects, or intricate electronics. Versatility is further emphasized by the inclusion of multiple pressing connector jaws. The set features a range of jaws to accommodate different sizes of electrical terminals, allowing users to select the appropriate jaw for the specific task at hand. This variety ensures that the crimping tool set can handle a diverse range of connectors commonly encountered in electrical work.
The ergonomic design of the pressed pliers ensures a comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use. The efficient operation of the tool allows users to achieve professional-level results with minimal effort, making it accessible to both professionals and hobbyists. The materials used in its construction are chosen for their robustness and resistance to wear. The sturdy build of the tool ensures a prolonged lifespan, making it a reliable companion for projects that require repeated use of a crimping tool.
The versatility in pressing connector jaws makes it an excellent choice for tasks that demand precision and reliability. Whether you're crimping connectors on electrical wires, working on custom wiring harnesses, or performing routine electrical repairs, this tool set provides good performance. Get 84% off right now with starting prices only 3.44 US.